In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage billing in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to update your payment details and find your invoices without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. When the results appear, select the official website. Double-check the URL so you know you're landing on the genuine Lovable Dev site before you continue. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option and click it. Sign in using your usual method. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Keep your credentials private and avoid signing in on shared devices whenever possible. After you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, locate your profile icon or your workspace name. Depending on your layout, this will be in the top left or the top right corner. Click it to open the account menu. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, make sure you have the correct one selected, because billing is managed at the workspace level. From that menu, navigate to Settings. This is where all your workspace controls live, including user roles, preferences, and, of course, billing. If you don't see settings or certain options inside it, your account may not have the necessary permissions, so you might need an admin to grant access. Inside Settings, look for the Workspace section and open Plans and Credits. This page summarizes your current plan, shows any usage or credits, and provides access to billing controls. Take a moment to review what plan you're on and how credits are being used so you know whether any updates are needed. Next, click the Manage button. This opens the secure billing portal, often in a new tab. If nothing appears, check your pop-up settings and try again. In the billing portal, you'll see options to edit billing information, including your payment method, billing address, and any required tax details. Be sure the name, address, and tax information match what your finance team expects, as this helps ensure invoices are accurate. You'll also find a section for invoices and payments. Here, you can view past charges, download receipts or invoice PDFs, and confirm payment statuses. If you want to update the email that receives invoices, look for a billing email or notifications field within the portal. When you're finished, save your changes and return to the Plans and Credits page to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. Your billing for Lovable Dev is now managed confidently and correctly.